You don't need perfect English to speak English. Many people believe they must learn all grammar rules first, but that is not true. English is not a test. English is a skill, and skill grow with practice. So relax, take a deep breath, and listen carefully. Many English learners feel afraid. They think, what if I make mistakes? What if people laugh at me? What if my English is wrong? But here is the truth. Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. They also made mistakes, many mistakes. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are part of learning. The secret to speaking English is very simple. Use English every day. Not once a week, not once a month. Every day. Just 10 minutes of practice can change your English. One powerful habit is thinking in English. Most learners think in their native language, then translate to English. This makes speaking slow and difficult. Instead, try thinking directly in English. For example, I am tired. I need water. I am going to work. I will study today. These small thoughts train your brain, and slowly English becomes natural. You can practice English in daily life. When you wake up, say, "Good morning, today will be a great day." When you eat breakfast, "This food tastes good." These simple sentences will is very powerful. If you listen to English daily, your brain starts recognizing patterns. Listen to English stories, English podcasts, English conversations. Even if you understand only 50%, it will help your brain learn English. Learning English takes time. Do not rush. Do not compare yourself with the others. Everyone learns differently. Focus on your progress. Even a small improvement is progress. Remember this. You do not need perfect English to start speaking. You only need confidence. Speak slowly, practice daily, and never give up. One day, you will speak English with confidence. Thank you for listening. This is SD for English. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next lesson.